So today we will start with exercise 9.3 question number 1. Okay. So question number 1, 3 options they have given. In which situation you will find surface area and in which situation volume, means when you will find surface area and when you will find the volume. First A is how much it can hold. So anything that can be held is measured by always volume. So it can hold that will be volume. Hold is measured by volume. Then B, number of cement bags required to plaster it. To plaster it means all the sides. Means if it is a cylinder round, you have to make a plaster. So here we will require lateral surface area. So here total surface area. Here what we will find? Surface area. Okay, and C, to find number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it. So volume of the big tank and volume of the smaller tank, here both are important, and so volume we will find out. Okay. Now question number 2. Here they have given question number 2. They have given 2 options. One cylinder is diameter is 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay. And the height is 14 centimeter. Other diameter is 14 centimeter. So radius will be 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. Here you see this B is having higher radius. Radius is higher. So higher radius, if other things are the same, means only interchange we are making. Only figures we are interchanging. So in that case, higher radius will have higher volume. And surface area. Okay. So they are asking without doing any calculation, can you suggest which volume is greater? Volume is greater of R. So volume is greater, higher volume in B. So B, this is your answer. Okay. Now verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinders are greater surface which is having. So first we will find the area of question 2. So 2A, volume of cylinder is pi r square h equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 14. Okay. Equal to 539 cm cube. Okay. It will be 539 cm cube. And its surface area is equal to 2 pi r plus h. Okay. So here 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. Radius is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus height is 14. Okay. So this will cut, this will also cut. So 22 will remain here. And here, because fraction is there, you have to take the LCM. This is your LCM. So it will be 7 and it will be 14 by 1. So 1 to the 28 it will become. So it will be 22 into 35 upon 2. It will cut 11 will come equal to 35. 35 not 3. So it will be 385 cm cube. Total surface area. Okay, it will be in square. So this is your of the first this answer. Now we will go to this B part. To B. A is over. Now B we will take. B. Again volume. Volume is equal to pi r square h equal to 22 by 7 into here radius is 7 into 7 into 7 and height is also 7 centimeter. So it will come 11. So r square h. Okay. So suppose 11 77 into 49 equal to, here we can multiply 49 and 77. So 49 into 11, 49 and 49, 9, 539. 539 cm cube. So here we will multiply 22 and 49. 49 by 22. 1078 cm cube. Okay, it will come this much. Now it's we will find its surface area, volume, and now surface area. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r plus h. This formula you have to keep in mind. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 plus height is 7. So 44 into 14. In the rough we can multiply 44 into 14. So the चक्कू 56. 56 का 6 अपने 5. 56 और 5 56 और 5 61. So it will be 616 cm square. Now it is the time to give answer. So here you say which is greater? This B is greater. B is having this much and A is having this much. Okay. So B is higher and here also B is higher. So your answer B is correct. So answer will be B is greater. B is greater in both surface area, in volume and in surface area. Okay, B will be higher. Now we will go to question number 3. Question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is itne and volume is 900. So volume of cuboid, your formula is volume of cuboid is equal to LBH, or you can write LB, you can write area of base into height. Both are the same thing. So here in the question, find the height. So height will be how much? Height will be volume upon area of base. Area of base it will be. So volume, here in the question volume is 900 cm cube and area of base is given 180 cm square. So it will cut and cm will remain. Okay, this will cut and 18 5 are 90. So equal to 5 cm. This will be your answer. Okay. Now question number 4 we are going to solve. Question number 4. A cuboid is dimension this much. How many small cubes with cube of side can be placed in the given? So number of how many small cubes? Number of small cubes will be volume of cuboid upon volume of volume of small cubes. So volume of cuboid formula. So it is length into breadth into height. Its formula is length, breadth, height. So it will be 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter upon. And here also small cube, volume of small cube, it will be also L3. It is small cube, volume is it is equal to L3. So one side is 6, length is 6. So it will be 6 into 6 into 6. Volume of cubes are L3. Okay. So here 6 5 the 30, 6 9 and 16. So 5 9 45. What time? 450 numbers. This is your answer. This much will come in the bigger one. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Find the height of a cylinder whose volume is 80 meter and diameter of the base is 140 meter. So diameter is 140 cm. But area is given in the meter, so we have to convert it in meter also. So radius will be 140 upon 2 cm. So if we convert it in meter, we have to divide by 100. So 140 upon 2 into 100 meter it will become. So it will become 140 upon 200. So this we can struck, and 14 by 20. This also we can cut 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is your radius. This is your equal to radius. This is your radius. Now the cylinder's volume. So volume of cylinder. Again the formula is area of base into height. So area of base is pi r. So volume of cylinder, volume is pi r square, or into area of base into height. This is area of base into height. Okay. So here in the question, find the height of cylinder. In this question, you have to find the height. So height you have to find. So here height will be equal to. First we will write volume of the cylinder 1.54 meter cube. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is equal to 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into height. Okay. So this we can struck. So here 1.54 meter cube is divided by, this figure will go down. So 22 by 7, 154. Okay, and this 10 into 10 will go up. So 100 equal to H. So this we will remove and 2 we can place. Now this we can delete. So this also we will delete. So 154, 1 will remain. So height is equal to 1 meter. Height is equal to 1 meter it will be. This is your answer. Question number 5 is over. Now we will go to question number 6. Now question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder. Radius is 1.5 and length is itna. Find the quantity of milk in liter that can be stored. So the quantity of anything depends on its volume. So first we will find out the volume. So volume of the milk tank we will find out. This is cylinder. So formula of cylinder will apply. So volume of tank. Volume of tank is equal to pi r square h is equal to 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is given 1.5. 1.5 into 1.5 into and height. Height is 7 meter. So these are all given. So it will come meter cube. So here this we can extract. So 20 to 15 into 15, 2 to 5. 2 places decimal will come here. So we will multiply in the rough. 2.25 into 22 is equal to 450 into 450. 0.594. 2 places decimal. 49.50 meter cube. Now here, to convert it in liter, our formula is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 49.50 meter cube is equal to 49.50 into 1000 liters is equal to 49.50 and 3 zeros we will put. 1, 2 and 3. Now 2 places is the decimal. So 2 places will go out. Okay, so answer will be 49, this much liter. This is your answer. This is the capacity of milk the tank can hold. Now question number 7 we will go. Question number 7. If the edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? How many times its volume it will increase? So first we will do first part. Let cube's length we express in L. So let's edge means side. Let edge be L. So its surface area. Surface area is equal to 4 L square. This is the formula for L square. Now double the edge means 12. So new surface area will be 4 into 2L square, because it is L square. L previously edge was L, now edge is 2L. So in place of L we will write 2L. So it will be 4 into 2 to the 4, 4 2 to the 4, 4 L square. So how many times? Number of times increase. Number of times increase is equal to 4 into 4 L square upon old was 4 L square. So it will cut and 4 times will be answer. 4 times will be your answer. Now it's B part we are going to do. Okay. How many times its volume will increase? So volume of a cube. Volume of cube is L3. So it is volume. Now you double the double the edge. Now double edge. So it will be 2L power 3. So it is the volume. New volume. Double the edge, it will be 2L3. And volume. This is your old volume. This is your. So it is equal to 28L cube. Number of times increased. increased equal to new volume. Now double as then volume. So 8 L cube upon L cube. So this will struck, so answer will be 8 times. So this is your second answer. This is your second answer. This is your first answer. Now we will go to your question number 8. Okay. This we will rub and we will go to question number 8. Now question number 8. Here one tank is given whose volume is volume of tank. Question number 8. Volume of tank. Volume of tank is given 108 meter cube, and 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. So 108 meter cube is equal to 108 into 1000 liters is equal to 103 liters. Okay. This is the capacity. Volume means capacity. Capacity of tank. Okay. Volume of. Now you are pouring water at the rate of 60 liters per minute, and answer they are asking in hours. Find the number of hours. So minutes we have to convert into hours. So 1 minute pouring power is equal to 60 liters. So 60 minutes means 1 hour. 1 hour pouring equal to 60 into 60 liters is equal to 3600 liters. Now hours we can find out how many hours the tap will take to fill this much. So hours required to fill the tank. Hours required is equal to 108,123. This is the capacity, and speed is 3600. So hours required it will come, because we have find out this liter per hour. We have made it into hour per hour. So here it will cut and 36 3 13 and 0. So answer will be 30 hours. This will be your answer. Okay. So by this this chapter is over. Thanks for watching our videos. Please share with your friends and ask them also to subscribe, so that they can get benefit in their higher classes also. 9, 10, 11, 12 they will get benefit. So ask them to subscribe. You may also subscribe. Thank you for watching.